Hey guys, in this full guide, I'll show you how to enable keyboard mapping in BlueStacks in 2026. So if you want to control Android games using your keyboard and mouse on PC, this tutorial will walk you through the setup step by step. First, launch BlueStacks from your desktop or start menu and open the game where you want to use keyboard controls. Next, look at the right side toolbar and click the keyboard controls icon. This opens the controls editor and keyboard mapping settings. If a button isn't mapped already, drag controls from the side panel onto the game screen. So you can add tap controls, shooting mode, swipe actions, or movement controls manually. After editing your controls, click Save to keep the new keyboard mapping active for future gameplay. Now return to the game and test your controls. You can reopen the editor anytime if movement or aiming doesn't feel comfortable. If your keyboard mapping stops working properly, you can reset everything back to the default layout from the controls menu. And that's basically how to enable keyboard mapping in BlueStacks in 2026. Now you can play Android games on PC with smoother keyboard and mouse controls for a much better gaming experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.